Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Trena, Trena. I just want to say, first of all, I want to thank you guys for liking, sharing, and subscribing my video. I do appreciate it. I just want to show you guys some video of some plates that I cook, and if you guys would love for me to cook any of these plates for you guys, just comment down below and let me know what do you want me to cook, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. I want you guys to enjoy watching, and like I said, I appreciate y'all, and I hope you guys enjoy. See you guys in another video. Thank you.